Public Speaking Crash Course. Handling Q&A Sessions. Introduction. Handling Q&A sessions effectively is an essential skill for any public speaker. The Q&A session provides an opportunity for interaction and engagement with the audience, allowing speakers to address specific concerns, clarify their points, and delve deeper into the topic at hand. However, it can also be a challenging phase as speakers need to think on their feet, respond eloquently, and maintain composure. In this crash course, we will explore techniques to handle Q&A sessions with confidence, grace, and professionalism, ensuring a successful and impactful speaking experience. Story. Example. Imagine yourself attending a conference where a renowned expert is delivering a thought-provoking presentation on climate change. As the session comes to an end, the audience eagerly raises their hands, seeking clarification and further insights. The speaker, well prepared and attentive, skillfully acknowledges each question, taking the time to fully understand the context and concerns. With poise and expertise, they provide concise and well-thought-out responses, addressing each query with precision and offering valuable insights. The audience feels heard, respected, and enlightened, leaving the session with a deeper understanding and appreciation for the topic. Top 12 Handling Q&A Techniques, Methods. 1. Active listening. When an audience member poses a question, actively listen to their words, paying attention to both the content and the underlying intent. Give them your full focus, maintain eye contact, and demonstrate genuine interest in understanding their perspective. 2. Repeat or clarify the question. To ensure clarity and to show that you value the question, repeat or rephrase it in your own words. This not only helps you fully understand the question but also confirms that you are attentive and willing to engage. 3. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to collect your thoughts before responding to a question. Pausing allows you to compose a coherent and concise answer, rather than rushing into a response that may lack depth or clarity. 4. Stay calm and composed. Maintain a calm and composed demeanor throughout the Q&A session, even when faced with challenging or confrontational questions. Take a deep breath, maintain a neutral tone, and respond with poise and professionalism. 5. Thank the questioner. Express gratitude to the individual who asks the question. A simple "thank you for your question" not only shows appreciation but also sets a positive tone for the interaction. 6. Be honest and authentic. If you don't know the answer to a question, it is better to admit it than to provide inaccurate information. Be honest and authentic, and if possible, offer to follow up with the questioner later to provide a more informed response. 7. Keep responses concise. When answering questions, aim for clear and concise responses that directly address the query. Avoid unnecessary rambling or providing excessive details that may dilute the impact of your message. 8. Structure your responses. Organize your thoughts before answering a question by employing a structure that ensures clarity and coherence. One effective approach is the three-part structure. State the main point, provide supporting evidence or examples, and conclude with a summary or call to action. 9. Use personal examples or stories. Support your answers with relevant personal examples or anecdotes. Sharing personal experiences not only adds credibility to your responses but also helps the audience relate to the information on a more personal level. 10. Maintain eye contact. Maintain eye contact with the questioner and the rest of the audience while responding. This demonstrates confidence, builds rapport, and keeps the entire audience engaged in the conversation. 11. Respond respectfully. Regardless of the nature of the question, respond respectfully and avoid becoming defensive or argumentative. Acknowledge and validate the questioner's perspective, even if you disagree, and respond with empathy and professionalism. 12. Manage time effectively. Time management is crucial during a Q&A session to ensure that all questions are addressed within the allotted time. If time constraints are a concern, politely let the questioner know and offer to follow up with them afterward to provide a more detailed response. Summarization. Handling Q&A sessions requires skill, preparation, and the ability to think on your feet. By actively listening, staying calm, thanking the questioner, being honest, structuring responses, using personal examples, maintaining eye contact, responding respectfully, managing time effectively, and ending on a positive note, speakers can navigate Q&A sessions with confidence and professionalism. Remember to practice these techniques to enhance your ability to engage with your audience and leave a lasting impression. Poem. Embracing questions. In the realm of speaking, we take the stage. Sharing knowledge, turning a new page. But when questions arise, we must stand tall. Embracing the challenge, answering the call. Active listening, our first guiding light. Understanding each query with all our might. Clarifying, paraphrasing, ensuring we hear the concerns of the audience, ever so clear. Calm and composed, we face each demand. Gratitude in our hearts, a gesture so grand. Honesty and transparency, our guiding creed. Admitting what we don't know, taking the lead. Concise responses, a virtue we treasure. No rambling or tangents, a measured pleasure. Structure our thoughts, the 3 C's in play. Confirm, context, conclude, leading the way. Personal examples, stories to share. Adding depth to our answers with utmost care. Eye contact maintained, connecting the gaze. Engaging the audience in meaningful ways. Respectful responses, even in debate. Elevating the discussion, avoiding hate. Time managed wisely, each second counts. Covering queries, the session paramount. On a positive note, we bid our adieu. Thanking the audience for all that they do. Leaving them inspired, with thoughts that ignite. A desire for knowledge, burning ever so bright. Song. Questions unveiled. Verse 1. In the realm of speaking, we take the stage. A world of questions, an open page. We listen with intent, to each query's tale. Seeking understanding, the audience we hail. Chorus. Handling Q&A, an art to be unveiled. With grace and confidence, our knowledge unveiled. Active listening, we navigate the way. Answering with clarity, shining like a ray. Verse 2. Calm and composed, we face the crowd. Grateful for their questions, humble and proud. Honesty and transparency guide our path. Admitting what we don't know, avoiding any wrath. Chorus. Handling Q&A, an art to be unveiled. With grace and confidence, our knowledge unveiled. Active listening, we navigate the way. Answering with clarity, shining like a ray. Bridge. Concise and structured, our responses unfold. Personal examples, stories to be told. Eye contact maintained, connecting every thread. Respecting the questioner, where knowledge is spread. Chorus. Handling Q&A, an art to be unveiled. With grace and confidence, our knowledge unveiled. Active listening, we navigate the way. Answering with clarity, shining like a ray. Outro. With time managed wisely, we cover the ground. Leaving the audience inspired, their minds astound. On a positive note, we bid them farewell. Questions embraced, a story we tell. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.